schizophrenia. Schizophrenia is basically a kind of thought disorder in which the patient present with variety of symptoms. Uh, like mostly in our setup, it's a kind of referral center. So the patient with resistant schizophrenia and with florid psychosis presents here. So along with the disorder of thought, the patient present with delusion and hallucinations. So, and if the disease is more than of 1 year, then the patient might present with disorganization also. So we'll see schizophrenia individually different in different patients. But the kind of pattern that we will having the 5 kind of syndrome in schizophrenic patients, like the positive symptoms, as I have said that delusion or hallucinations are there, a kind of social aloofness, alosia, and kind of cutting down from the mainstream of the society. The negative symptoms might be present in the patient. Sometimes the disorganization is there, like the different kind of new behaviors or a ritualistic behavior develops. So when the patient stop, doing daily routine, decreasing personal hygiene, hoarding different things. So a kind of disorganization you can see in the patient. So and certain kind we have the catatonic symptoms along with that. So and in most rare cases we find the schizophrenia with cognitive deficiency also. So that is the rarest variety. So like prodromes are different, like early sign or the prodrome of schizophrenia are very variety of symptoms are there in prodrome. Like if we talk about young patient, then there is the loss of interest in a study. The patient starts hallucinations, so that present different in different patients. Like they want to a kind of suspiciousness develop out of it, persecution, or a spatial patient thinks that are spatial, or he has got some missions, and the prodromes are suspiciousness or fearfulness develops in these kind of patients. So that will lead to the different behavior changes, and these behavior are sometimes violent behavior, aggressive. Loss of sleep is the earliest sign. Loss of social communication, a kind of fearfulness, and what is common in all the things is the self-referential thinking. The patient thinks that if something happening in the surrounding is having a special meaning to him, where that's the point where the thin line between the normal and the abnormal that dilute, and the loss of ego boundaries starts. So that's the development of psychosis. And if we see or if we perceive this early symptom, then the patient can be approached to the healthcare professional, or they can be referred to the expert like us. So the good thing about schizophrenia is it is symptoms are controlled with lots of good medications. So if the treatment is started early, the duration of psychosis is less, so the kind of recovery is good. That is the good thing about it, and sometimes the patient requires inpatient care also. So schizophrenia, if you say that 2/3 of the cases are totally controlled with the medicines, there are 10% of the cases require inpatient treatment, and in less than 10% of the cases of those patients it is resistant. So different treatment modalities are available: drugs, injectables, depot preparations, lots of new antipsychotics. So the things are good regarding psychosis. If the patient is, the caregiver is good, so we can psychoeducate very early. If we initiate the family intervention also, so it's combined effort that decrease the schizophrenia or psychosis. Thank you.
Thank you.